I am Rokame Harala and my skill advancement is volleyball. I choose volleyball because it helps me with the skills and build friendships. And also, it is the great way to stay active and help someone. In my day one, I did shadow, practice the proper forming of arms and hand gestures, mastering the arm movement to receive the ball. What I have noticed during my day one is my proper positioning. So I need more practice with my body positioning. In my day two, I did practice with the use of a ball, practice to slightly bend, straight arms and extend arms forward. Create a platform more consistent control and minimal errors. And this day, practice with a ball to practice my receiving performance, and I observed I cannot properly control the ball. So in my day I did back pass, stand shoulder with the parts knees slightly bent, and wait the ball for your feet to create mobility. In my day 4, I did receive with a movement. Consistent in passing the ball to a target, but may still occasionally miss or make errors. And I observe I have some mistake may still happen due to inconsistent adjustment in positioning or timing. So in my day 5, I get digging with a partner. Adjust angle platform and pass with a control, and also communicate with partner.